Thokozani, this is Manzi in Tebula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome to the family. Do leave me a comment down below. If there are some certain things you do not understand, please do let me know. Those of you that have already subscribed, oh guys, I love you so much. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Yes, and this video is in so if there are some certain things nani ngati understand ngikhuluma nami, feel free do WhatsApp me ubute whatever that ubuta bona. Yeah, so video namuhla I want us to talk about Vimbela. Let me take it so that you can see it. Some of you that do not know Vimbela unje, guys. Vimbela so Vimbela, and then inside both. So Vimbela yelona I prefer lobo via 7, guys, and yeah, okay. Vimbela umsebenza njani Vimbela, guys? Vimbela, okay, Vimbela, okay, fine, uyamgcobisa lana, like la, uyamgcobisa lapho nolala, or maybe ugezageza uyaphuma uya somewhere. Vimbela umgcobisa phasi kwetinyawo takho. Vimbela nomntombazane kumbe uyindoda uyamgcobisa yabo emathangeni akho la in the middle la, yeah, laphayana uyamgcobisa nakhona umrabe na uyintombazane, like urabarabe na la itulunyana. Uyakuvikela etintweni letiningi, especially botokoloshi, if there's some certain thing lelala nawe ebusuku lekuhluphayo kakhulu, whether uyayifila kumbe awuyifili or you dream about it, sebenzisa Vimbela utokusita kakhulu, usenze Vimbela isebenza kakhulu, and iyasita, guys. So you can rub it on your hands, on your forehead, like lana glow kai wako, whatever bungiyo, and then pasketinyawo, or you can use it as your lotion. You understand? You can use this as your lotion. Irait kakhulu and iyasebenda. So yes, Vimbela ungamsebenzisa for logo, like nova ngathi kunento nje lekuhlupha igcobise, and especially if you put it as a lotion isebenda kakhulu, like I feel like, yeah, itokusita. So Thokozani, guys. Those of you that do not know Vimbela umlona, so go buy it, use it. If what there's something like hluphago, Thokozani, this is Manzi in Tebula. I'm gonna do a part 2. Guthi ungayimixa nani guthi ibe more strong. You understand? Even more stronger. Yo, okay, fine. Well, Thokozani, this is Manzi in Tebula. Stay blessed. Bye.